Welcome to Decode Chinese Characters.
Do you remember these two characters we have already learned? Let's review them first.
人
A single character made of one left falling stroke and one right falling stroke. It means person. When we use this single character as a building block and put two of them together, we get
从
which means to follow or to obey. Now, what about this character? Doesn't it look interesting? It is made up of three of the same person symbols. Today, we are going to learn this character. Its pronunciation is
重
It is formed from three Ren characters, but it doesn't simply mean three people. Instead, it represents the idea of many people. For example,
大众
means the crowd and the masses. It can also express the idea of numerous or a great many. For example,
众多
used to describe a large number of something. Now let's practice reading this character together.
重重重
Before writing this character, let's review the golden rule of writing Chinese characters, from top to bottom and from left to right. So, for this character, the correct order is: first, the one at the top; second, the one at the bottom left; and last, the one at the bottom right. Have you learned how to write this character? Now, let's try a small challenge. We have already learned these two characters.
从
And
重
what happens if we put them together to form one word?
从众
Can you guess what this word means? All we need to do is combine the meanings of the two characters.
从
Means to follow.
众
Means the masses. So,
从众
means to follow the crowd. It refers to when a person, under the pressure of a group, changes their original thoughts and chooses to act or think in line with the majority. Did you get it right?